Imagine turning any photo into exactly what you pictured, swapping backgrounds, changing outfits, creating full-body portraits from a headshot, or even adding whimsical elements, yes, like a banana in a costume, all in seconds and for free. That's Nano Banana 8. In this video, I'll show you how to access Nano Banana, walk through 10 jaw-dropping use cases, share prompts and pro tips so your edits look realistic, and show you how I made the thumbnail for this very video. Let's get into it. If you're new here, welcome. And if you love tools that level up your content for free, hit subscribe and the bell. Give the video a thumbs up if you want more AI tutorials like this. There are two easy ways to use Nano Banana. Option A, Google AI Studio. Go to Google AI Studio, sign in with your Google account, and click the banana icon labeled Try Nano Banana. You'll see a prompt box and an Upload Plus button to add your photo. Option B, Google Gemini, mobile or web app. Open the Gemini app or website, sign in, and tap the banana/create image icon. Otherwise, you won't be using Nano Banana's editing features. Workflow in 3 steps. 1. Upload your image. 2. Type a clear prompt describing what you want. 3. Click Generate, Review, Refine if needed, Download. Nano Banana is iterative. Refine prompts to remove artifacts or adjust details. Use case 1, age and expression transformation. Narration. Transform a subject's age or facial expression while preserving identity. Useful for storytelling, campaigns, or then versus now edits. Example prompt. Age this woman to 70 years old with natural skin texture, subtle age spots and silver hair pulled into a low bun. Keep her facial identity and expression the same. Add soft, warm lighting and gentle vignette. Photorealistic pro tip. Be specific about the target age and hairstyle. Expect a believable, identity-preserving age portrait suitable for social posts or documentary-style thumbnails. Use case 2, product mock-up with branded items. Nano Banana isn't just for fun edits. It can also help you create quick product mock-ups. Imagine promoting a brand or testing ad visuals without a full photo shoot. Make this same woman drink from the Coke bottle and boom, you have it. Use case 3. Here, a man is holding a fish. With one prompt, we can remove the fish completely from his hand. Prompt, remove the fish from his hand. Keep his hand natural. Pro tip. Use clear words like remove or erase to clean up images. Use case 4, car repaint. We can even repaint objects. Watch this car change to matte black in seconds. Repaint the car matte black. Keep reflections realistic. Pro tip, always add texture words like matte, glossy, metallic for best results. Use case 5, royal transformation. Let's make it epic. Prompt, completely dress him in royal African king's attire with intricate gold embroidery, a majestic crown, and a palace background. Pro tip, the more details you give, the richer the result. Use case 6, lifestyle selfie now, a natural selfie shot. Prompt, make the two of them take a selfie while having lunch outdoors in the sun with realistic lighting. Pro tip, add selfie and lighting to keep it natural. Use case 7, golden banana swap. Let's swap an object for something fun. Replace the box in his hand with a golden banana. Pro tip, use replace plus a clear description. Use case 8, figurine and packaging. Now let's create a figure mockup. Turn this photo into a figure on a round acrylic base. Place it in front of a toy packaging box, printed with the original artwork. Pro tip, mention materials like PVC and acrylic for realistic results. Use case 9, product showcase, time for a product highlight. A 3D digital illustration of a confident woman in a yellow and white outfit holding a shiny oversized banana with bold text Nano Banana on it. Pro tip, oversized props and bold text are great for ads and thumbnails. Use case 10, fashion swap. Finally, fashion design with prompts. Prompt, change her outfit into a futuristic silver jumpsuit with glowing blue lines standing in a neon city street at night. Pro tip, style keywords like futuristic, casual, or vintage change the whole vibe. Let me show you how I designed this thumbnail using just a simple prompt. Instead of the male 3D character, I switched it to a female character wearing a stylish red jacket and jeans, while keeping the banana car and the 2 banana buddies exactly the same. And in just seconds, Nano Banana generated a fresh new version for me. That's it for today. 10 amazing Nano Banana use cases. Which one was your favorite? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.